Welcome to ABC Training. In this session, we will see how to create and use assembly structures and skeletons in Creo Parametric. Okay, so we will see this. So in this example, we will be using the initial design skeleton for an elliptical exercise bag. So we will do a different thing. So this is the PPTs. So these are the steps. We will see this one by one in the interface of the Creo Parametric. Okay. So this is done by our R&D team. We'll see this in the Creo Parametric interface. Okay, so these are the steps of that. Okay, solid models from the skeletons. We will see this one by one. Okay, so let's start. Go to new. Then in the new, go to the assembly and create an assembly. Just name it something you want. You can edit it here. Okay, just say okay. And this is the assembly model space. We'll go to the assembly, and we have seen this assembly, how to do this assembly. Okay, so we will what we'll do, we'll create a part here. Okay, in the create component we will select the skeleton model. Okay, you can see this here, and select the skeleton model and then click ok. Okay, so we will just, you can change it from here. So, okay, so you can see this part. If you open this part, you can see this is a part coordinate planes, datum planes, and these are the assembly datum planes. Okay, so create some part here. So we'll create a skeleton here. Okay, so we'll go to sketch, create a sketch on this. Okay, and now sketch view. We'll create a sketch of a skeleton. So I will create a skeleton sketch. We'll give dimension something like, I will give it 30 diameters. Okay, then what I will do, I will create a line here. Okay, and I'll create another line here. Okay, ठीक है, I will give angle of something like 120, maybe it's with 90, and I will give another dimension for this line. And okay, okay, so 45 degrees this. And what I will do, I will give dimension for this point also, this point and this point. Okay, dimension of something like, I will give it 75. Just say okay. So this is basic skeleton we have created. So what I will do, I will create a plane here. I will go to data plane. I will create a select items. I will create this. On this, I will create normal to this plane. Okay, I will select this point. Okay, you can see this. This is how I have created a plane here. I will create same plane just like I have created here. I will go to the line. Then I will select normal to the line. Then I will select the point. This point. Just say okay. This is, I have created two planes. I will go to the plane. I will say sketch. I will create a profile here, circular profile on this point. Then I will give dimension of 30 diameter. Just say okay. Just go to this plane. Select sketch. Select a circle here. Escape. I will give dimension of, just say 30. Okay. Just say okay here. Now what I will do, I will edit this sketch. I will edit this and I will give this dimension of 50. Okay, maybe it's 40. Okay, so our skeleton is ready. So now from here, okay, regenerate it here. Just open this part. So we are in the assembly. Okay, Here in the assembly here, we will create another part here. Okay, create a part, solid part. Okay, now I will give it a constant of default, so it will be defaulted here. Okay, just say okay here. I will create a sketch. Open this part first. Okay, so this part has been open. Sketch on this plane. Sketch. I will create a circle here. Okay, call it this. Shoot this. The mirror. Okay, thicken this sketch. Thickness will be of 5. Okay, so 1 mm thickness is very much, so it is efficient. Sufficient thickness is 1 mm. So we will now create a part here. Okay, we'll extrude on this plane. Okay, create a sketch on this. Just say okay. Go to the depth. We'll select reference. So we don't have a reference here. We'll create a reference here. Okay, we'll create a sketch, or I will simply project this sketch. Okay, yes, this sketch. Up to this I want. Okay, so I will just edit definition and remove the material here. Okay, provide thickness. The the step I will need to provide this thickness of 1 mm. Okay, to this sketch. Happen. Okay, we'll create extrude here. Remove material. Okay, then I will create extrude this circle. Okay, so you can see this clearly. Say okay. Then we will provide a thickness. So we will thicken the sketch, give the thickness of 1 mm. Then we will be up to the reference. So the reference we select is this point. This point is the reference. Just say okay. See this? I have created the part on the basis of the skeleton. Okay, so we'll just simply go to the assembly. We are in the assembly now. Okay, so this is how we can create a skeleton assembly in the assembly of the Creo. Okay, so if we open the skeleton part here, this is skeleton sketch. Okay, and we edit sketch. We edit the sketch. I will edit the definition of the sketch. Go to the sketch view. What I will do, I will change the angle between the reference axis and the cylindrical axis or the sketched line. We'll change it to 30 and I will just keep this as 90. Just say OK. Now what I will do, I will change the diameter of this circle. Okay, so go to this edit definition. In the edit definition, okay, change the diameter to somewhat 20 degrees. Just say OK and you can see this. And now we are in the window, we are going to assembly. So in the assembly, just say regenerate and you can see this, the assembly has been regenerated. So this is the assembly and it saves times of the assembly when we are in the course assembly. This skeleton feature saves times and effort. So this is for today. Thank you.